Good morning. You know what time it is?
It's Advent time.
Yes, you can open the Advent calendar for today.
Oh, what is it?
I'm not going to tell you. I don't know what the elves put in there, do I?
Squidgy, squidgy.
Do you like it?
God. I actually really love it.
It's from Edinburgh. It's from the weaving mill there.
Lamb's wool. Oh, it's just going to keep you so warm.
Yeah, you look beautiful. And the blue actually sort of matches the kitchen. So you'll have a bit of Lalande with you wherever you go.
It matches my eyes.
Oh, sorry,
But
I
actually,
didn't mention the eyes.
It's a bit early for me, so I think the red matches my eyes right now.
It's really exciting. Michael's brother and his mother have arrived today, and Billy and I are going to do a chateau swap. So he's going to take some wood that I have, which I didn't need anymore, and swap it for a couple of paintings that he has. This is a perfect way of finishing all our chateaus without having to buy anything new. We've just got a little chateau bartering system going on, and he needs my wood to make leaves for his dining room table.
Lovely day for it. Standing in the rain. So how's it going?
Good. Yeah, good.
Yeah, we're just choosing the sort of the flat bits, aren't
The
we?
straightest pieces. Don't know why I'm so rich in wood, but I suspect Mummy's got something to do with it. Hope she approves of this swap. I haven't told her yet.
Well, she's welcome to come to Basmaignee and dine on the new table leaves that are going to be made from it.
Oh, can I come too?
Absolutely, yeah.
Excellent.
Because we've been looking for oak boards for a long time that are the right thickness.
Yes, these are very
and
thick.
the right colour, specifically the right colour, and these are the right colour for the table.
Perfect.
So these are going to be made into leaves for an antique dining table at a chateau.
I love that thought. I absolutely love it.
So we need 8 of these.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Here we are.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at these.
I can't believe the size of them. I love them. I absolutely love them. Really, thank you
That's
so
all right.
much.
That's all right, they're only in our attic for the last couple of years.
Where do you reckon we should put them? I was thinking maybe chambre rose.
Okay, let's go and have a look.
Yeah.
I'm going to go in this one instead.
Yeah, I think in there. Is there space between the headboard? Yes.
But obviously when the beds are pulled out, back to where they normally are, you can pull it above each bed. Oh wow, they do look really good there.
Yeah?
Yeah, they look amazing. And you can swap them around as well, so you can have the columns on the outside. Yeah, I think they found a home.
Hurry, are you going to miss the Hogwarts Express? Yes. Michael, Louis Vuitton, and a pile of wood. That's a pretty stylish suitcase. See you in Paris. Oh, that's cheerful.
I've got one more thing for you.
Really?
Yeah, something you can entertain you while I'm gone.
What is it? What is it? I'm really excited.
Come and see this.
Oh my God.
That's me, and that's you.
You found us in Playmobil form.
So I'm going to take you to Basmaignee, and you're going to take me to Finland.
Oh my God, this might be one of the best presents I've ever received.
I've got my white fur cape on, ready to go to Basmaignee. And you've got your brown fur cape ready to come to Finland
Yep.
and Estonia. Bye-bye, Stephanie. Bye. Look, Michael's
Oh, it
giving
looks
me
just like him.
mini Michael. It is, isn't it?
it
It
is.
is.
These are so gorgeous. Michael's mother has brought cupcakes. Oh my God, I'm happy. So how come you have so many cupcakes?
Well, I did a craft fair yesterday, so these are some of the ones that were left over.
Did you make them?
Yes, so you've got lemon, drizzle, and then chocolate and walnut. So you've got double chocolate and walnut, and then these ones are the pink and the cream ones are just vanilla ones.
What are you going for?
Chocolate and walnut.
I hate this. Paris.
Paris, I'll see you in Paris.
Awesome. I just like the sound of that. See you in Paris. And Billy, thanks for those amazing
No
paintings.
problem. Thank you very much for the oak board.
It's a pleasure. Pleasure doing business with you anytime, Billy. Oh dear. Already Mini Michael's having a tantrum because Mini Stephanie's gone. Oh, what a stunning day. that it's time for me to leave Lalande to go to Estonia and Finland. I think he's pretty excited about going to the north. Bye-bye, Lalande. See you at Christmas. When I get back, this house will be full of festive cheer. Tallinn, here I come. Here we go. Mini Michael and I are off on an awfully big adventure. We're getting close. We're now flying over the Baltic Sea. We're just changing planes in Riga onto a small plane with propellers. This is getting very exciting. The further north we go, the shorter the days are getting. We're flying into the darkness. At last, the sparkling lights of Tallinn. We've arrived. As soon as I landed here, I realised that in spite of having brought the world's biggest suitcase, I had forgotten something. So I'm still at the airport and I've made my first purchase, a hat. Now I'm going to find a taxi to the Old Town, where I'm going to meet my friend Mason, whom I was with in Portugal. The long journey is over and I'm off to find my bedroom. This is my gorgeous hotel room in the Telegraph Hotel, which is all based on postal service because we're in the old post building of Old Town Tallinn. And look, knowing that I would be away from my beloved Liberty Advent calendar all holiday, Mason brought me a Vermont chocolate one. Every day has a different part of a poem in. This one is the poem The Night Before Christmas. It's such a lovely hotel and I can't wait to try their restaurant, which looks dark and mysterious and glorious. To explore Tallinn's Old Town, one of Europe's best preserved medieval cities and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. That's a very great outfit, Mason.
Wait, you have to go into that window.
Okay, I'm going into the window. Oh, how idyllic. A mother and daughter making pottery. It's official, Tallinn is Christmas heaven. Oh, wooden boards. For Christmas cheese. I think I'm going to buy one of these small heart-shaped boards to serve a beautiful manchego cheese that I've been saving for Christmas. Stunning cards. I just want everything I look at today. Mason, I found Jon Snow's closet.
Yeah.
Ah, this is giving me an idea. See, my boots are lovely and fluffy on the outside, but not underneath. So my feet get cold from underneath. 100% sheepskin. That is going straight into the bottom of my shoe. This is going to change everything. The day is looking up. Now I'm going to be snug as a bug in a rug.
Hey Steph, what's going on?
Look, they're warm, but I can't ever do the plastered laces on them. I'm going to spend my whole time in Estonia just sitting in this courtyard trying to get my boots back on. Okay, they are not coming off again this holiday. Even Mason's getting into the Christmas spirit. Now I want to go in here. It's honestly hard to remember which century we're in. But you've got to try this. It's hot chocolate you have to eat with a spoon, it's so thick. Russian hot chocolate with ginger and chili. But Mason, you're already wearing that jumper.
Am I camouflaged in?
Yeah, honestly, you just completely disappear.
Icelandic. Estonian. Yeah.
Stand really still.
Snug.
Oh yeah, that's much better.
This is far more uncomfortable.
Oh, I really like this one. Oh yeah, you've found your jumper now. It's almost identical to the one that you were wearing when we came in.
You mock what you do not understand.
You're right, I do not understand. Oh, please tell me you're getting a matching hat.
Which
Make my day complete. I found the nativity scene that I want. this. This takes nativities to a new level, which is much needed for Lalande. I'm doing a spot of Christmas shopping whilst I'm here. Estonian chili vodka is a must, and I'm very excited at the thought of caraway schnapps. Now I just have to refrain from drinking them before I get home. Here are the old city walls and the entrance gate into the Old Town, which is the best preserved medieval city in Northern Europe. Oh, I wish Marie were here. This florist is amazing. It goes all the way down. Every single window is filled with flowers. And she would love to see all of these Christmas wreaths. Time for lunch. Marinated trout with juniper bread. Trio of creams, 1 duck pate, 1 fish cream, 1 mushroom pate. I'm happy right now.
Clearly, it's because of my company.
That's what it is. First I got the hat, then I got the insoles, and I've completed the look with the leg warmers. Here I am looking for Estonian decorations, and I just spotted something amazing, and it turns out it's British. 3 French hens, love it. And I would take that back, but it does seem a little ridiculous to bring that all the way back to France from Estonia. Today's goodies. I'm pretty excited. So I got this lovely wooden board to use for a cheese that I actually bought when I was in Spain. And that's what I want to serve on Christmas Day as a cheese course. But I think today I can try it out with this fenugreek goat cheese. I presume that's what it is. I mean, it's got a picture of a goat on it, and that looks like fenugreek, but beyond that, anyone's guess. And I got really nice Estonian liqueurs. I think there's almost 0 chance of the caraway schnapps not being opened before I go back to Lalande. Estonian vodka and Estonian liqueur with the finest spices and genuine rum. No fake rum here. And obviously I had to buy this seed paper, not because it's seed paper, great though that is, but because it's got a hedgehog on it. So this is my Christmas card for our hedgehog. We've just been to visit the idyllic Christmas market here, which I've shown in today's Advent vlog, which I'll link to here. It was magical. Everything about this old town feels like stepping back in time. Mini Michael had a whale of a time too and was getting quite into the local cuisine. And now we found a little medieval shop in town, and I'm beginning to realise that my suitcase is nowhere near big enough. I would happily spend the entire evening window shopping, but we've booked to go to a really amazing restaurant. And so we begin our journey with an ice cream of bread, caramelized goat's cheese, liver, and then popped buckwheat on the side. This should be interesting. How is it?
Curious.
I'm going in.
It is not like anything you've had before.
Here we go. That is basically pate ice cream, and I absolutely love it. It's amazing. It's amazing. Oh, how beautiful. This is a mind-blowing meal. This is cured white fish with horseradish ice cream. And now roe deer with Jerusalem artichoke and chamomile mousse. And we're finishing the meal with pumpkin toffee and woodruff cream. It's so delicious, and it's been a really fun meal. I had no idea that Tallinn was such a capital of food. Now we're leaving Tallinn's Old Town on our way to Finland. Bye-bye Estonia, you've been glorious. Whilst I'm working on the Advent vlogs, Mason's doing wonderful things on a red oak platter that he made for me from a tree that he cut down in his own forest. Mason's invented a new canapé of salted crackers, fenugreek cheese and trout eggs. Oh, this is so good. This is going to be the best ferry journey of my life. Well, hello, Finland. Michael's pretty excited about Finland. It's raring to go. We've got our hire car and we're on our way to the villa that we've rented. But first, we've stopped at a supermarket. We're going to try and stock up with Finnish delicacies. So far, the fruits and vegetables look normal, and then we hit this. What is this? Is this a sort of a broccoli? Is it a broccoli come to life? Hard to know. He looks like a man who likes... Oh yeah, you got it, you nailed it. Finland, where the cream is firm and tasty. I don't know what gloggi is. I'm hoping it's some sort of mulled winey kind of thing, but I'm genuinely not sure. We're just gonna get it and find out. Do you think we're seamlessly blending in like locals?
Yeah.
They'll never notice we're from out of town.
They're not going to be able to recognize it.
We're nearing our destination, which truly is in the middle of nowhere.
So I accidentally rented 2 houses. We have a house over there with a bedroom and a kitchen and a sauna, and a whole other sauna, 5 bedrooms, kitchen here.
I arranged it on a house swap site for the chateau and I had no idea how big it was. Mason and I are going to have a lot of space.
It's so beautiful here. I think this is one of the most relaxing places on earth I've ever been to.
Morning, Mason! Do you want a cup of tea? I'm bored in this house. Come visit!
I'm enjoying this magnificent creation made by Mason. What is it, Mason?
Breakfast.
This is called breakfast.
Bacon, cheese, onions, dill and mustard on toast.
Walking through the woods here is magical, and I realise I've had such a busy year at Lalande and a beautiful year with lots of travels, but even on my travels I haven't stopped, and finally I have a few days here with just nothing. And I have nothing to do but drink tea, stare at the view and knit. I'm in heaven, actually. I feel incredibly rejuvenated and ready to go home and face all of the wonderful Christmas festivities at Lalande. There are 2 houses. It's so ridiculous. Home sweet home. And now decisions await me. What to do, knitting, or shall I put the sauna on?
Sauna it is. There's nothing nicer after a long walk in the cold.
Mason, in this weather, you'll die in that lake. I'm on holiday with a crazy person. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to be filming. You're mad! No, stop it! Stop it! Can you think of anywhere more snug? And the thing that's most extraordinary to me after life at Lalande is that we're here in the cold and it's snowing, and inside it's super warm. I am so not used to working heating. It's extraordinary. May as well be in the Maldives inside that house. Today is my favourite sort of day because it's a snowing day and it's giving me the space to think about all the fun Christmassy things I want to carry on arranging the minute I get back to Lalande, which will be very soon now. It's our last day here and we're heading off to Helsinki to have a last little taste of city life before I fly to Paris to meet Michael and then to go back to Lalande for Christmas.
Thank you, Finland and Estonia. You've been inspirational. And now, Christmas, here I come.